And that's a big development that comes from the Supreme Court. The Delhi police have been given a clean chit. Their conduct in the Arvind Kejriwal dharna case is above board. That is what the Apex Court has said. And headlines today is Jaskirat Singh Baba joins me for more on this story. Jaskirat, what did the Supreme Court say?
This was in response to a petition that was filed last week, which questioned the Delhi police's conduct in allowing protesters to gather in an area which is prohibited under Section 144 of the CRPC. And also, even after the protesters did gather over there, the Delhi police failed to evict them, is what the petition was alleging. In response to this, the Supreme Court was quite critical of the Delhi police last week and had asked them to respond properly in written as to how they could allow this to happen. Delhi police today, represented by ASG Siddharth Luthra, responded with a complete chronology of events, responding that the first FIR was actually registered on the first night at 9 p.m. itself, and that enough notice and warnings were given to the protesters, but at the same time also mentioned that they advised caution and tried their best not to use force. The Supreme Court, going through the chronology of events, was satisfied with the Delhi police's response and also asked the petitioner in a very sarcastic manner if the petitioner actually expected the police to actually shoot at sight, suggesting that in a democratic society, the state has to balance their duties and responsibilities while also respecting the fundamental rights. The Supreme Court observed that unlike in the Ramlila Maidan incident where Baba Ramdev's supporters were in fact attacked by the Delhi police, unlike that event, in this case, the Delhi police seems to have conducted themselves in a fair manner. But the question of Kejriwal's own dharna being constitutional or unconstitutional will come up at a later date.
For the moment, Jaskirat Singh Baba, many thanks for joining me.